Happy week 8 to all of my mathematicians. We are almost 1/4 of the way finished with your 7th grade school year, which means we have 3/4 left to go. So our first grading period is almost over. That's going to be over on, sorry, they're doing announcements. The first 9 weeks is going to end Wednesday. So if you have any missing work or any grades that are not to your liking, they have all been unlocked. Anything that's below a 70 has been unlocked, and you can redo those. My suggestion, don't go in and just take them for the sake of taking them. Go in, look at the videos, try some practice problems. If you don't understand it, email me so we can set up a Google Meet. Call me, let's figure something out so we can make sure we understand it before you take it again. Remember, that's got to be done by Wednesday. And for week 8, we're going to continue with tables and graphs and X's and Y's and graphing and all that kind of good stuff. And then we're going to lead into word problems with proportions. So hope you have a great week. And STEMA Academy 1, I miss you already. STEMA Academy 2, I look forward to seeing you. And for those of you remote, I miss you as well. Hope you have a great week, and I will hopefully be talking to y'all soon.